how to see who else is using your Telegram account. This tutorial shows you how to view all active login sessions and devices. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. After that, tap on Settings from the bottom navigation bar. From there, tap on Privacy and Security. At this point, scroll down to the Security section. In the next step, tap on Active Sessions to view all logged-in devices. Following this, you'll see a list of all devices currently using your Telegram account. Once done, each session shows the device type, location, and last active time. From here, if you see any unfamiliar device or suspicious login, tap on it. At this stage, tap Terminate Session to log out that device immediately. After this, you can also tap Terminate All Other Sessions to log out from all devices except your current one. Once completed, only your current device will remain logged in. And that's it. If this active session guide helped you secure your Telegram account, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram security tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.